Hey guys, how are you? Just want to make a quick video, see if I can help everybody out. I am working on an Ariens 522. It's really hard to say on the cover. It snowed the other day. 2-cycle Tecumseh powered single stage snowblower. So here is the model number and the serial number. Okay, the issue is it was a no start and no drive issue. Okay, had to take the machine apart. It's pretty straightforward. Bolts on the side. Had to take off the gas cap. The bolts on the side, bolts on the top. Obviously the covers come off. Okay, the issue was the spring was broken. Okay, and the belt was broken too. The diagrams online were pretty horrible to tell. So we have to do some figuring out. This is the broken spring. Okay, there is a notch here. If you can see this notch here. Okay, this goes onto here and it will connect to the tensioner. And then you'll be able to pull it back. So let's see if I can get this on real quick for you guys. All right, just bear with me for a minute. Okay. See how I have it installed right here? Okay. Now I'm going to activate it. Now the belt's going to spin. Okay. Now I will put the part number for both the belt and the spring in the comments of the video. But just in case, here is, whoops. Here is the spring assembly, and then I have the belt right here. Just put this down. Okay, and here is the belt as well. You know what? Give me a minute. Let me see if I could put this on for you. See if I can prop the camera up at a decent, angle for it. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Trying to prop it, in my toolbox. Let's see what we could do here. Let's pop this off real quick. So basically what it is, I took the tension, I took the spring back off. Okay. The belt routing is going to go under this. Perfect. Okay. Alrighty. So what I did here is I took off the spring. Okay. I fed it around this pulley first. And I didn't need any special tools. I didn't use too much force. I kind of pushed this up a little bit by hand. No tools needed. And I slid it under. Okay. This is still off. Okay. This is still off. I wrapped the belt around the pulley and got as much as I could around here, and then I started to spin it and it'll automatically catch. Apply the tensioner.